Hello. All right, today we're going to start part 1 of our symmetrical sculptures. And so I want to show you how we're going to start this today, okay? This part is, day 1 is probably the trickiest, okay? And so what I'm going to have you do is at your table, there's a big bin of all different colors of paper, okay? You're going to pick 6 different colors, okay? But I want you to grab 2 of every color. So I'm going to pick 2 blue. I'm going to find 2 pink. I'm going to get 2 yellow. Then 2 blue. Oh, no, I already did blue. How about I do this blue? I'll do more of a turquoise color. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 6. I'm gonna do purple. So that's 5 different colors I have so far. And then I love red. I'm gonna do red. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. That's exactly what you need, okay? Now, let me move these aside because I want to talk to you about how we're going to arrange them for our sculpture. You need to have your colors symmetrical, okay? So what that means is you're going to have that one side matches the other side. So if I flip it this way, this side matches the left and the right. Then I have pickles, then I have lettuce, then I have a tomato, then I have 2 burger patties, right? So it's symmetrical. So when we arrange our paper, and I'll put this up on the board so you guys can use this. And then when we arrange our papers, and I'm also going to put this up on the board, we are going to build a symmetrical sandwich. And I want you to start with the center. So start with the 2 burger patties. So I put 2 blue in the center. Then you're going to take your next color and you're going to put them symmetrical. So there's 1 on the left, 1 on the right. So I did 1 purple on the left, 1 purple on the right. Then I took the next color, 1 pink on the left, 1 pink on the right. Okay, and I kept going. The next color I did was yellow on the left, yellow on the right, orange on the left, orange on the right. When you have them stacked together like that, I want you to raise your hand and then I will come and staple them. So let me show you with mine how I'm going to do this, okay? So I'm going to go, these are going to be my 2 burger patties in the middle, okay? So I put next to each other because they're symmetrical. Then I'm going to take the blue, this turquoise blue, and I'm going to put 1 on the right, 1 on the left, okay? Then I'm going to take I'll do pink next. I'm going to take 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Then I'm going to do yellow. And your table's a little wider than mine, so yours will be easier to do. 1 on the right, 1 on the left. Red. 1 on the right, 1 on the left. Not sure if you guys can still see that, but I have 1 on each side. And then my last color, because I have to have 6. 1 on the right and 1 on the left. Now, I want you to take these and stack them just the way you are. So I'm going to start from this side. I'm going to go blue, red, yellow, pink, turquoise, purple. And then let's see, I'm going to go purple, turquoise, pink, yellow, red, blue. So now I just went from left to right and I gathered them, okay? And I kept putting every color on the bottom. So when I look at them from this side, they are symmetrical. So I have blue on the outside, red, yellow next, then pink, then turquoise, then purple, okay? When you have them like this, put them on the table and raise your hand quietly, and I will come around and I'm going to check to make sure they're symmetrical so that they're arranged in a symmetrical color pattern. If they're not, we're going to lay them out and we're going to try it again, okay? Once you get them symmetrical, raise your hand. If they are correct, then I'm going to put 3 staples right in the center. And if you have extra time, some people might not have time, but some friends will, you can grab a marker and you can start to design different kinds of lines on your paper. But remember, this has to be symmetrical. So if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. So I'm drawing on this blue piece of paper. I'm doing zigzag lines with a black marker. So that means I have to flip this over, and on the other side, I have to do zigzag lines on the blue paper with a black marker. Okay, so they have to match. It's got to be symmetrical. That's the whole point of this project, is to really make a 3D symmetrical sculpture. We're learning how to create symmetry in our art. Okay, and then you can keep going. So I can go to the red and I could draw, maybe I want to do polka dots on there, but then I have to flip it over and I also have to draw polka dots on this piece of red paper. Okay, so if you have any questions, remember you can ask your neighbor or you can wait for Mrs. Constein, but it might take me a while to get to everybody. So if there's someone close to you that could help you today, that would be awesome too. All right, I hope you guys have fun on day 1 of symmetrical sculptures.